Hey bros, this is the third and the last part of the roll cage install. Okay, the roll bar hits the panel here, so I try to heat it up and bend it a little bit in. Okay, just bending doesn't work, so I have to cut a little bit from the edge, and to keep the pattern I heated it up just before it starts to melt, and then I press this foil on it, so I got a little pattern. Not perfect, but it works. Okay, before I tighten up the screws, I use some MIMCK Thunder grease. Jetzt zugegen? Ja. Das wird aber leichter jetzt. Dreht sich das mit? Okay, I wanna torque this to spec with 50 Newton meters, but it comes more loose when I tighten it up. So, two reasons. First, the screw is grown in length, or this rubber goes in. Torque spec for the 7/16 is 40 Newton meters. So if you want to take off this cover, you need to loosen the handbrake that you can pull it more straight. To readjust the handbrake, you need to take off this cover. There's the screw to adjust the handbrake. 10mm bolt. Here you can tighten the handbrake.